An op-amp has a slew rate of 5-fold microsecond. The largest sine wave output voltage possible at frequency of 1 MHz is 5 by 2 volts. In such 41 steps, op-amp has a gain bandwidth product of 1 MHz. A non-inverting amplifier using this op-amp and having a voltage gain of 20 dB will exhibit 3 dB bandwidth of 50 kHz. Differential amplifier is invariably used in the input stage of all op-amps. This is done basically to provide the op-amp with very high slew rate. Assume that the op-amp of the figure is ideal. If Vi is the triangular wave, then V0 will be sine wave. A differential amplifier has a differential gain of 20,000 CMMR is 80 dB. The common mode gain is given by 2. Which of the following amplifier is used in a digital to analog converter? Summer. When a step input is given to an op-amp integrator, the output will be a ramp. For an ideal op-amp, which of the following is true? The current from output terminals is 0. If in the differential voltage gain and the common mode voltage gain of a differential amplifier are 40 dB and 2 dB respectively, then its common mode rejection ratio is 23 dB. Differential amplifier are used in instrumentation amplifier. The two input terminals of an op-amp are labeled as inverting and non-inverting. For an op-amp having differential gain V average and common mode gain AC, the CMMR is given by AV divided by AC. Hysteresis is desirable in schematic trigger because the devices in the circuit should be allowed time for saturation and desaturation. The output voltage V0 of the above circuit is -5 volt. In the above circuit, the current Ix is 0.5 ampere. An op-amp has a slew rate of 5 volt per second. The largest sine wave output voltage possible at a frequency of 1 MHz is 10 volt. The approximate input impedance of the op-amp circuit, which has Ri is equal to 10K, Rf is equal to 100K, Rl is equal to 10K, is 110K. An amplifier using an op-amp with slew rate SR is equal to 1 volt per second has a gain of 40 dB. If this amplifier has to faithfully amplify sinusoidal signal from DC to 20 kHz without introducing any slew rate induced distortion, then the input signal level exceeds 95 mV. An ideal op-amp is an ideal voltage controlled device voltage source. How many op-amps are required to implement this equation? V0 is equal to V1, 1. How many op-amps are required to implement this equation? Op-amp is equal to op-amps 1. The ideal op-amp has the following characteristics: Ri is equal to infinity, A is equal to infinity, R naught is equal to 0. If the ground is applied to the positive terminal of an inverting op-amp, the negative terminal will be virtual ground. An ideal op-amp is an ideal voltage control voltage source. A non-inverting closed loop op-amp circuit generally has a gain factor greater than 1. The closed loop voltage gain of an inverting amplifier equal to the feedback resistance divided by the input resistance. Calculate the cutoff frequency of a first order low pass filter for R1 is equal to 2.5 kΩ and C1 is equal to 0.05 microfarad, 1.273 kHz.